Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. We continue to design and verify steel raster in Tekla Tedds. To turn out the connection box, click on the connection, right click on the raster, left click, check the member. We import the design value from Tekla Structural Designer to Tekla Tedds. Open Tedds and select the local United Kingdom. Create new project, new documents, steel member design. Double click. Input the design bending moment. Check in the Tekla Structural Designer. The bending moment measure C minus 484. And design C4 136.4. We change the section to IPE 500. Select, change the steel grade to S275. And the lateral restraint measure C. We put the system length. Yeah, the system length is 12.258. 12.258. Yeah, correct. And the linear axis. You have to choose the first choice. You input the first segment from the column to the first purlin is 0.4 meter, and the second we use the first purlin to the second purlin. The distance is 1.64 meter. Now I use this second length, but in Tekla Structural Designer they calculate the first length. Yeah, is 0.4. Now let me put the same to verify with the Tekla Structural Designer. 400. And torsional restraint, we can keep it 0 or input it at the same with the purlin. Because at the purlin we add the torsional restraint, where we add the lateral restraint, you can add it. And for the apply action force, yeah, we apply action force. You can input the action force here. The action force is 110.8. You see here now the design result is 0.859. If we do not include the action force, the design restraint is 0.8. You can input the effective length for the compression. The measure C, you can keep it 1, and linear C, you can keep it the same. Lateral torsional buckling, yeah, you can keep it. Now we use the second method. Right click on the calculate. The second method we use the same for the measure and for the linear axis. Okay, Control and V. The design ratio is 3.29. Now we change the lateral torsional buckling check here the 1.643 1.643 calculator and divide by 12.258. It's equal to 0.13. And you can keep the system length for the both measure and minor axis. And for the lateral restraint, you can keep it or not, no matter. You can enter 0. And what is the more important, to input the correct compression for the measure axis. We do not have a restraint, so we use the 1 is equal to system length, or you can increase 1.2 or 1.5, but the software also keep you 1. Now we keep it 1 for the raster buckling the measure axis, keep it 1, and for the minor axis we use as 0.13. yeah, 0.13. Input the two parameter for the lateral torsional buckling and for the compression minor axis. It is very important for who use the Eurocode to verify and design with the design manual. Thank you for your watching. Now the result in the first and in the second method is the same, is 0.859. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.